I am Sunita Yadav from Cosmos English High School, Bhandup West. I have prepared my short film on the concept of basic of electricity and Ohm's law from physics section, lesson number 3, current and electricity of standard 10. So this short film has been prepared to participate in Navnirman Science Education Short Film Festival 2021. So students, what really happens when you switch on the light and when you see to the bulb? So why we need to do this? Okay, so we need electricity for that. So what is the electricity exactly? It is a flow of electrically charged particles. Okay, so electricity is a flow of a charged particle. Okay, so electric charge is it's a physical property of a substance or subatomic particles like proton, neutron and electron. So electrons are having the negative charge, protons are having positively charged and neutrons are having negative charge. So protons here in solid, okay, for example, in solid, the nuclei are strongly bonded with the adjacent atom to make a right structure of solid. Hence, the protons are not movable in case of solid, but electrons can easily move by giving the sufficient energy. So hence, the electric current in solid is due to the flow of electrons only. So what is the current? Next we'll see what is the current exactly. So current is depend upon amount of charge passing through the conductor in 1 second. Okay, and the unit, next is a unit. The SI unit of current is here we'll see the SI unit of current is ampere. 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb per 1 second. Then what is coulomb? 1 coulomb is equals to 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. Okay, so if 6.25 into 10 raised to 18 electrons are passing through the wire in 1 second, then we can say that the current in the wire is of 1 ampere. Okay, so here the flow of electron is from positive to negative terminals, from negative to positive terminal, but the current direction is mentioned in opposite direction. So next we'll have the Ohm's law. For that I am going to show you the activity by performing a practical. Hello students, today we are going to learn Ohm's law. So we are going to do here one activity to understand Ohm's law. We need here nichrome wire, okay, which is nichrome wire is also called as the resistors. Okay, here is the nichrome wire is there. Then we required ammeter, then we required voltmeter. Then battery is for supplying the current. Okay, so from a circuit, here it is here we have to first form a circuit which contains plug key, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance with the battery. So here this is the ammeter, will show you the current. Here voltmeter will show you the potential difference. Okay, and then this is the plug key and this is the battery. So we will close the plug key first. Okay, sorry, it is already closed. Batteries also I am going to keep off. Then in starting position we have to close the plug key and note down the reading. Okay, we have to close the plug key and we have to note down the reading. Here it is 0 and in voltmeter is also 0. Okay, then now next we have to on the plug key and we have to change the flow of current from the battery. We have to adjust the volts. Here it is given 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt and 8 volt, 10 volts. So you have to adjust the current, and after adjusting you have to on the plug key and you have to measure the reading in ammeter, and same time you have to measure the reading in voltmeter. and whatever reading you are getting here, that is still milliampere, that you have to convert in amperes. Okay, so when I am keeping plug key on, okay, so at here, so you have to adjust the current, and after adjusting you have to on the plug key, and you have to measure the reading in ammeter, and same time you have to measure the reading in voltmeter, and whatever reading you are getting here, that is still milliampere, that you have to convert in amperes. Okay, so when I am keeping plug key on, okay, so at here, at this point 1.6, okay, when the current when the volt is 1.6, in the meter I will note down the reading as 0.5, and that is to be converted. Okay, so like this I have to change the potential difference here, and I have to note down the potential difference, same time note down the value of ammeter, and then record your observation. So here I have already taken the readings. You can see here this is volt and this is the ampere. Okay, this is all reading I will share with you. Okay, so from this activity we are going to we will notice that the current and the potential difference in each case will be approximately equal. Okay, so in both the case, when we are going to change the volt, the current and the potential difference will be approximately equal when the number of cell is going to change. This tells us that the potential difference V across the nichrome wire is directly proportional to the, this is the nichrome wire, so potential difference across the nichrome wire is directly proportional to the current through it, and the relationship is given by the general formula which is given in the textbook as V is directly proportional to the I, and V upon I is constant, and V upon I is also called is equals to R, resistance, and resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the change through it. Okay, so here we have seen the Ohm's law. Thank you.